I'm here at IMAX Vadala for the premiere of Mr. Yash Chopra's film Veer Zara, starring Shah Rukh Khan, Preeti Zinta and Rani Mukherjee.
कहते हैं ईश्वर को 7 दिन लगे थे इस धरती को बनाने में। 7 सुर होते हैं हमारे सरगम में, 7 रंग होते हैं इंद्रधनुष में। शायद इसीलिए 7 साल लगे हैं यश चोपड़ा जी को अपनी इस फिल्म को बनाने में, जिसका नाम है वीर ज़ारा। मेरा नाम रोशन नवाज है and we are here at the premiere.
Before the stars arrive, I think you should come and take a look. First, the lady behind the man. What expectations do you have of this film?
I have great expectations of this film because I think it's a beautiful film.
What in this film do you think sets it apart from others, apart from it being a Yash Chopra film?
I think it's the Yash Chopra film.
That's good enough. How does it feel being here? What expectations do you have of this film?
I guess being a Yash Chopra film, the expectations are anyway high, and I'm on a high because I'm a part of it. So I'm just looking forward to watching the film.
Oh, हिंदुस्तान इतिहास में 50 साल से कंटिन्यूस हिट डायरेक्टर था यश चोपड़ा, तो नेचुरली यश चोपड़ा का फिल्म विद ऑल टॉप आर्टिस्ट बिग हिट होता है.
Thank you, sir.
This is a film that's coming out after 7 years.
I wish him all the best for the film, and I hope this is one of his best films.
Okay, the star of the evening. I have to grab you before anybody else does. Firstly, you are looking absolutely fantastic in white. Thank you. What are your expectations of this?
I think we have worked really hard. It's a really tough question on the actor just before the movie. But I think it's a good film, and that's all. And my outfit is by Manish.
Working with Mr. Yash Chopra, this is the first time you worked with him.
For an actor like me to work with Mr. Yash Chopra is an absolute honor. And I'm not saying this because it sounds good, but I think in my generation, I am the luckiest one.
Welcome this evening. Can I tell you, you're looking absolutely smashing! No Yash Chopra film goes by without you being in it. How does that feel?
It feels like a great honor, and it feels nice that
whether his son directs it or whether the father.
They're too kind to me, and I hope I can live up to this kindness every time I work with them.
Working with Yashji after 7 years, has he changed a little bit?
No, not at all. He's still, like I always say, he's a little mad. So he's still that little mad, and very passionate, very excited, and it's a treat to work with him. I think everyone should get a chance to work with Yash Chopra once in their lifetime.
Yashji is so associated with romance. What do you think is that magic formula?
I don't think there's any magic formula. I think Dad especially makes films from his heart, and I think that's what really counts finally.
Your expectations of this film?
My expectations of the film are very high, like everybody's expectations of any Yash Chopra film.
यश जी की तरफ से इतने अरसे के बाद क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस?
प्यार मोहब्बत का संदेश.
I have no doubt that he must have done a wonderful job.
A word on him as a human being, as a person.
If you ever want to feel uplifted in life and feel good about yourself, go meet Yash uncle, because he's going to be smiling, he's going to be happy.
टीम थोड़ी अलग है, यू नो आई मीन क्रॉस बॉर्डर रोमांस की एक बात इसमें जो करी है, डू यू थिंक कि हमारी ऑडियंस रेडी है ऐसी थीम्स के लिए?
Definitely, the audience always wants something different. So I'm sure it will be very lovely.
क्या expectations हैं, you know, from a Yash Chopra movie after 7 years?
Looking for that same brand that Yashji stands for. Looking forward to a great romance.
I really want it to be a success. It's very important for the industry that he keeps making successful films.
Yash Chopra is my oldest friend in the film industry. He's the first man I knew, if I knew anybody in the industry, that was him.
Yeah, मेरी तो बहुत लंबी association है. This is the only film I've done, not done Yashji, and I think इतने सालों के बाद एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म देखने को मिलेगी.
Looking absolutely stunning. Firstly, very nice colors, they suit you very much. Just a word on him, working with him as a director, as a human being.
Yash Uncle directing us, and the best part about Yash Uncle is that he's younger than us.
Which brings me to my next question. What makes him the king of romance?
His love for Pam Auntie.
Any Yash Chopra film is always full of expectations.
A blockbuster. There's no two-second thoughts in my mind. The music is beautiful, and the promos look excellent.
इश्क का बादशाह जो है उसने फिल्म बनाई है 7 साल के बाद.
यश जी की फिल्म हमेशा बहुत उम्दा होती है और हम समझते हैं कि ये फिल्म में उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया होगा, क्योंकि जो रिपोर्ट्स हमें मिली हैं कि एक ताज़ा दम फिल्म है.
I think his subtlety is what kind of sets him apart. He always makes some incredible movies, and I'm really excited about this one.
Yash Chopra is a very fine filmmaker. Superb. And he has assembled a very fine cast.
Which other maker has lasted, I think, 5 decades? So, the best. We are all huge fans. The best at the box office and best at the quality, and that's a great combination.
The clothes look gorgeous. I mean, you know, the movie looks fabulous. The clothes look absolutely gorgeous. Does it take time to work on something like this? I mean, do you spend months on end, days and nights?
Well, I think working with Yashji, who's always had fantastic clothes, is like a sword hanging on my head. I just have to do a good job. Other people will blame me.
Well, I can tell you one thing. I've already seen people walking in with what they call the Veer Zara look.
Oh, great. That's great. If it becomes a look, I'll be the happiest.
9 गीत इस फिल्म में आपके हैं और बहुत अरसे के बाद लोग कहते हैं मतलब फिल्म में एक गाना आपको सुनना जो होता है, लोगों के कान जो होते हैं रुके रहते हैं. क्या बात थी जो है 9 गाने एक साथ? मदन मोहन जी की चाह थी, क्या बात थी?
मदन भैया के गाने थे तो मेरी भी चाहत थी कि इसमें गाने हों, और यश जी ने भी हमारी बात रख ली. म्यूज़िक समझते भी हैं और भाभी भी म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा समझती हैं, तो जब गाने लेते हैं तो बहुत उसमें देख के लेते हैं वो कि कौन सा गाना अच्छा है, कौन सा सूट करेगा.
It's a different treat और इस वक्त इसलिए अच्छा लग रहा है कि मेरा इसमें गाना जो है, तेरे लिए गाना बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहा है.
I feel that he has romanticized the romance.
जैसे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड होता है ना, ऐसा गाना गा करके, और सोने पे सुहागा लता दीदी और फिर यश जी की फिल्म और शाहरुख खान, प्रीति जिंटा, सब अच्छा है.
Well, he's par excellence. I don't think there's anybody else today in the industry, you know, who understands films and characters and storyline in the way he does. And I loved and enjoyed working with him a lot.
What do you think makes him the king of romance?
I think his passion for life.
He's a wonderful filmmaker, and we all know, and he's very consistent, and I'm sure his film will do well because he every time he deals with any kind, and his films are clean and, you know, neat.
Yashi is so completely fabulous with romance and love.
Expectations from Yash Chopra movie?
I don't think need to expect anything because you know it's going to be grand, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to be amazing.
I think they are probably the most creative family in the fraternity, and I'm sure they've really made a love legend just the way they've advertised it, and I can't wait to see it. Everything about his movies spell and signify, denote romance in every possible way.
Yash ji's film 7 saal ke baad, what's your expectation?
Nothing less than fabulous. Absolutely fantastic.
Tell me, romance and him seem to go hand in hand. Any reason why?
He stayed with the times. He has seen that he has to change with the times, and he's done that. I have fabulous expectations, and I'm sure they will be met in there.
Something excellent. I'm looking forward to it.
Are you in the mood for a romantic evening?
Always.
What are your expectations from the movie?
I'm expecting a grand movie, and I don't think I'm going to be let down.
One can associate with Yashji's films a lot of romance, intense romance, a lot of music, beautiful photography.
I don't think there's anybody in our country who's not a Yash Chopra fan, and definitely I'm a huge fan, and definitely huge expectations, and I know he'll do it. The Yash Chopra magic will prevail.
It's very difficult to find two gorgeous women together, and coming to a show like this. I've seen a lot of males go in alone, but here are the two ladies. Tell me, expectations, Yash ji ki film after 7 years.
I'm dying to watch it. I mean, what more?
Do you think we all need a little more love in our life?
Of course, we do.
A Yash Chopra movie means romance for everyone. What does it mean for you?
It means class, it means color, it means elegance. It definitely means romance, but it means legendary success.
Do you expect to come out with a heavy heart, or do you expect to come out with a smile on your face saying romance still lives?
I think I'm going to come out being overwhelmed. I'm expecting that.
3 घंटे बहुत ज़्यादा रोमांस करने का इरादा है।
रोमांस तो 5 घंटे भी हो सकता है।
यश जी जो भी फिल्म बनाते हैं, लोगों को इंतज़ार होता है, और हम सब लोग एक्साइटेड हैं आज फिल्म देखने के लिए।
Yash Uncle film, got to be great. No question about it. Basically, I'm not one of those people who say that he only does romance. I think he makes damn good films. He's always made great films like Diwar. He's made Waqt. So he's a damn good filmmaker.
I am so full of anticipation and so eager to see what he's done because, I mean, let's face it, he's the great master.
You know, I must say, Hrithik, whenever you change your look, it always keeps getting better and better. What is your expectation from Yash ji's movie, 7 Saal Ke Baad?
The world. I think it's going to be the biggest blockbuster of the year.
Tell me, romance and him go hand in hand. Any reasons why?
I don't know. Must be the kind of heart he has. Must be having a really sensitive, romantic heart.
Do we all need a little more loving in our lives?
Always.
यश चोपड़ा तो हमेशा सोशल फिल्म तो बनाते ही हैं, साथ में बहुत हेल्दी फिल्म भी बनाते हैं, यानी मार धाड़ से दूर। गुलशन ग्रोवर जैसे लोगों की ज़रूरत कम पड़ती है उस फिल्म में। संगीत प्रधान होता है, कहानी प्रधान होता है, और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि ऐसी फिल्म बनाते हैं जो पूरे परिवार के साथ देखी जा सके।
इतनी रोमांटिक फिल्म आप जो है वो अकेले देखने आए इस तरीके से?
देखिए, मैं क्या कहते हैं अपने बड़े भाई के साथ में आया हूँ।
What is your expectation? 7 years since Yash ji has made a movie.
I am a big fan of Yash ji. The music is mind-boggling, and I am like already I've heard the music. I'm really looking forward to seeing this movie.
Expectations from a movie which is by Yash ji 7 साल के बाद?
I guess they'll be huge, but I mean Yash uncle has been around for many years, and I'm sure he knows how to deal with pressure, and I'm sure it's going to be a good film, so I don't think he has much to worry about.
I'm really expecting some great music. The music is already doing really well, and let's watch.
प्यार के रंग में अगर आपको भी घुलना है तो देख लीजिए हमारे साथ वीर साहब।